beautiful view of Melbourne City. Okay, we're on our train between a town called Albury and Sydney. We had to go by bus between Melbourne and Albury because the train is down. There's no train, so we're on from a train from Albury to Sydney. It's the overnight express. But what you find here is there's no PowerPoints. There's nowhere to like recharge our phone. There is no PowerPoint because these trains are 40 years old. It's like some kind of Eastern European style train. It's really interesting.
It's retro.
Yeah, very retro. It's a retro style train. So our lights will dim soon, and then we arrive in Sydney at about 7 a.m.